Eventually, I'll get up and say, no, no, not this time. I'm taking back what is.